Sai Life Sciences is a contract development and manufacturing organisation owned out of India. We were set up in November 2019 as the first UK entity, I guess, of Sai Life Sciences, and we essentially help our customers develop their drug substance molecules through from the clinical phase all the way through to market. We develop routes of synthesis, develop their processes, and ultimately the aim for us is to transfer those processes over to our manufacturing sites in India so that the customers can access larger quantities of their drug substances. We looked at a lot of sites, but Alderley Park really stuck out for a number of reasons, I guess. Firstly, the fact that the site itself is a life sciences hub. The wealth of talent in this region was really important to us as well because we were starting from scratch. We've sort of gone from 3 employees to 63, and it's been easy for us to attract new employees to the business. We were very lucky that when we needed to expand, there was space available to us, which we redeveloped and moved into within sort of 6 months. So it was really helpful to us to enable that rapid growth. We're now looking at the business to see, well, what's next for us really. We're looking to potentially expand into GMP manufacture using our existing facilities, but just modifying the capabilities that we've got on site.